This steering has some amount of sound and the customer is unable to drive it on highways because it makes this sound. If we turn on this side, this gets written like this. So this is a steering rack issue. Means the electric motor function inside this car. You can hear the noise. And the steering also is hard. Can you hear the sound? Hello guys, this is CWHY Auto Maintenance Expert and this is Vitara Brezza from 2017 model. So this car had an issue of steering, so we are going to show you that we have already solved the Kut Kut sound which is coming from the steering, and we are unable to drive the car on highways. That was stated by the customer that he was unable to drive it because of this. The steering stops when it turns like this. They have to keep on adjusting like this and this. So right now we have solved all the issues and there is no sound from the steering. So as you can hear, there is no sound. Even if we do, there is no sound. All the problems are solved. There is no sound whatsoever. And the repair is done at a genuine and quality parts. So this car will not have the same problem anywhere in this year or maybe next year. Maybe the electric motor might fail, but there is no warranty on electric motors because they come on brushes. So brushes are dependent only on when when the car is not being used. So this is Vitara Brezza. We are maintaining this car and we already did the clutch work inside this car, and now it's time for the timing, but the customer is not having time for the maintenance. So as it takes 1 week of time because there is too much oil leakage, also there are pipes to be replaced on this car, so we are just skipping the service for now, as it's a metal chain and it's fully lubricated. So we are not just saying that it's not a risk, but we'll do it. We can still do it till 1,50,000 kilometers. So right now we are delaying it, and there is minor oil leakage also. Don't want to waste customers' money for just solving the leakage. We just want to do all the work together. And thank you guys. This is Vitara Brezza. The steering issue is now solved on this car. The customer had this issue on 1,15,000 kilometers also, but right now we are just saying that we are delivering it after repairing this problem. The car was here for just this general work, general service, brake work, brake pads, nothing else. So this is CWHY Auto Maintenance signing off. Thank you guys. We'll meet on the next video.